I think again you all of you are connected. Tell me yes or no. All of you are connected.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so now we are going to again going to start, and I think page number 82, page number 82, second paragraph. Yes, Stephen shouted, Jackson, come here, and they called the ambulance for the primary treatment. But the boy, not the boy, McClary said, I know where he is. Who said? McClary, I know where he is, and so follow me, and I will tell you where you get your victim, from where you get Evans. कहाँ से मिलेगा? I will tell you. Who said? The McClary said, but the McClary was not the real McClary. I have already explained it earlier to you. The McClary was not the real McClary, and the McClary was this McClary was the friend of Evans, and he was also the part of his jailbreak. Who was also the McClary, the invigilator, was also the part of his jailbreak, and he was the friend of Evans. Yes. And
Yes,
the next one, and I will tell you. Almost immediately, sirens were sounding. Prison officers barked orders. Puzzled prisoners pushed their way, and along the corridors, doors were banged and bolted, and the phones were ringing everywhere. When within a minute, McClary with Jackson and Stephen supporting him on either side, his face now streaked and caked with dying blood, and was greeted in the prison yard by the governor, perplexed and grim. And how he would succeed to break the jail. Evans and the McClary was the friend of him, and McClary helped him in doing this. How he helped him? In his rubber tube, I have already explained. In his question paper bag, a rubber tube is there. He said the rubber tube is here for me to help me because I am a patient. And in that rubber tube, he carried the blood of pigs. And with this blood, he already smeared on his face. And with this activity and with this act, Evans was succeed to break the jail. And in the dress of McClary, he was fled away from there without noticing anyone of the prison official. He was succeed to fly away. He was succeed to break the jail. And within a minute, everything is moving on. Everything is running on in the campus of jail. Hurriedly, all the prison officers, superintendent of the jail were moving. Alarming sirens were bustling there. And we must get you to the hospital immediately. Who said? The prison officer said, we must get you to the hospital immediately, urgently. I just don't. You have called the police. Call the police. Yes, they were on their way, but I am right. I am right. Look here. Awkwardly, he opened the German question paper and thrust it before the governor's face. It is there. Yes, see what I mean. See what I am going to tell you. I know where is it, and I am going to tell you the perfect and complete address of your victim, of your Evans, from where you get it. The governor looked down and realized what McClary was trying to tell him. The governor was trying to understand what he was speaking, what he was saying. A photocopied sheet had been carefully and cleverly and superimposed over the last, originally blank, the page of question paper. Sweetie Singh is in waiting room. I am going to admit her. Sweetie Singh. Yes. And originally blank page of question paper, he shown to the police officers. You see what they have done. You see what they have done. Done nothing. You see, his voice trailed off again as the governor and dreading the layers of long neglected learning and willed himself to translate the German text before him. In the German text, he had written some sampling codes, so they translate or transcribed into their own language. The text had been written by Evans. And now they understood that what had happened there and how he breaks the jail at the time of his examination. Sai Solen Dem Son, and this word is written in German language. Now see the word, page number 83, second paragraph. S-I-E Sai, S-O-L-L-E-N Solen, D-E-M Dem, S-C-H-O-N Son, and Veraberdenten. It's written in German language. This is the code statement of Evans to McClary. Plan, Gano, Flogen, means plan of fled away from your plan of jailbreaking. He had written in German language on a blank sheet, on a blank paper. Who's shown this? The McClary shown this to police officers. Now see this. This is the plan of Evans and how he fled away here, how he breaks the jail. With the help of this, he breaks it. He did this, and I will tell you where he is, and I will tell you the perfect address of Evans. I will tell you the perfect address of Evans. Please reach there, and then you will get your victim there. And here it is, here in some German language written few statement of Evans written in a German language on a blank sheet, old blank sheet. You must follow the plan already something. The vital point in time is 3 minutes before the end of examination. But something and something, but something is there, something fishy, means something suspicious is there in the plan, is there in this writing, is there in this statement. Something, don't hit him too hard. Remember, he has a minister, his master, and don't overdo the Scots accent. Scottish accent. Language. A fast approaching siren wailed to its and crescendo, and the great doors of the prison yard were pushed back. Means great doors means big doors pushed back by the lockers and by the lock. And a white police car squealed to jerky halt beside them, and white police cars also squealed to halt beside them. Beside that, beside the Evans and beside the police officers. And Detective Superintendent Carter swung himself out of the Detective Superintendent, जो Carter थे main superintendent Carter उस jail के, and swung himself out of the passenger seat and saluted the governor. What the hell's happening, sir? And turning to McClary, Christ, who hit him? What hell happened means क्या हुआ और कैसे वो जेल ब्रेक करके भाग गया इतने प्रोटेक्शन के बाद. What the hell happened? He put a question, governor of jail, he puts a question to the Detective Carter, and now he explained through this way he fled away or he breaks the jail. Through this way means with the help of McClary. McClary को hit करके harm करके वो भाग चुका है. But McClary cut across whatever explanation the governor might have given. Ilsfeld way, officer, I know where he wants. He was breathing heavily and learned for support against. He said, I know where is Evans, and follow me and I will give you the perfect address of him. Who said? McClary said to the officers, prison officers and governor also. In bewilderment, in surprise, Carter looked to the governor for guidance, what order he will command now. Take him with you if you think he will be all right. If you think, take him with you, means take Mr. McClary with you during your search. Means he will be all right, he will be perfect for you. He is the only one who seems to know what is happening. He is the only one who knows what is going on and what happened and what is happening now. Carter opened the back door and helped McClary inside, and within a few seconds the car leaped away in a spurt of gravel. And Illsfield Way, McLary had said, and there it was starting up at the governor from the last few lines of the German text. From Illsfield Way, drive to the Headington roundabout, where, according to the statement, according to the clue in the statement, the prison officers went there and reached there to search Evans. मतलब उस स्टेटमेंट से जो क्लू मिला उन लोगों को, उसके अकॉर्डिंग, एज पर द क्लू, दे रीच्ड देयर, ऑफिसर्स रीच्ड देयर टू सर्च हिम, टू सर्च इवांस. And someone from the board must have been involved in escape plan from the very beginning. The question paper itself, the correction slip, all the things are suspicious here now in the eye of prison officers. Means someone from the examination board also helped him, also helped Evans to break the jail this time. The governor turned to Jackson and Stephens. I don't need to tell you what happened. Means governor turned to Jackson and Stephens. Jackson, now he talked about this incident and even to the Jackson and Stephens, the two prison officers who were appointed who were appointed for observation and the protection for that examination of Evans of O level. And now he turned to those two prison officers and asked a question. I don't need to tell you, means I don't need to ask you what happened here, what had happened. Can you explain? His voice sounded almost calm in its scathing contempt. His voice was completely calm and contempt. Whose voice? The voice of jail governor, means chief of the jail. वो जेल का chief officer था, and his voice was completely calm and scathing contempt. In the contempt mood, he asked and he puts a question, said, what had happened? I don't need to ask you what had happened here. Can you tell me or explain me anything about the case? What had been seen by you here during the examination, during observation? And so now, after page number 83 and 83, 84, how many pages are left? 89. From page number 84 NCERT, we will start it tomorrow. From page number 84 NCERT book, mind it and point this line there in your book with pencil. Mark there with pencil. We will continue this story, we will continue this chapter tomorrow. I think I have started the same chapter in 12A and 12B both. All the students are here from 12A and 12B. And from tomorrow, you must join with your name, section and admission number. And this is the only way to join or to conduct the class. This is the only way to organize the class for you. So try to join to get some benefits, to know the story, to know the meaning, theme and character of the story. It is beneficial for your English. If you want to know, if you want to write your answer in a proper way or in a well-mannered way, you must know the theme, summary and character of the story. And for this, so you should join the class, you must join the class. Then it will be possible to write down the answer. Okay, and also write down all the difficult word meanings in your fair copy. And tomorrow we will start from page number 84 NCERT book. And I hope and you will do it well and you will do your homework. What I have assigned to you, your homework is to write down all the difficult word meanings of this chapter. Write down in your fair copy. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.